In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track flights on Google Flights. Whether you're planning a vacation, preparing for a business trip, or just want to stay informed about flight prices, Google Flights is an invaluable tool for tracking airfare prices and staying ahead of changes. Let's dive into the simple steps to ensure you can successfully monitor flights and potentially save on your next booking. First things first, you'll need to head over to Google Flights. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in https://www.google.com/travel/flights. This will take you directly to the Google Flights homepage, where you can start the process. Once you're on the Google Flights page, you'll notice a variety of options and information about flights. However, before you can begin tracking flight prices, you'll need to sign in to your Google account. This ensures that any flights you decide to track are saved and accessible across your devices. To sign in, simply click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. After clicking the Sign In button, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. If you're already signed into one or multiple Google accounts, you'll see these as options. Select the account you wish to use for tracking flights. If you're not signed into any Google account, you'll need to enter your email address associated with your Google account. Next, you'll be asked to enter your password. Type in your Google password carefully, and then hit the Next button. This will log you into your Google account and take you back to the Google Flights homepage. But this time, you're signed in, which is essential for the next steps. Now that you are logged in, it's time to navigate to the tracking features. Look for the hamburger icon, which is 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other, located at the top left corner of the page. Clicking on this icon will reveal a menu with various options. Among these options, you want to click on Tracked Flight Prices. This is where you can manage and view flights you're interested in tracking. After selecting Tracked Flight Prices, you'll be taken to a page where any previously saved flights and price tracks will be displayed. But if this is your first time, or if you're looking to track a new flight, you'll want to choose or add a flight to track. Unfortunately, without direct access to your interface and actions, I can't guide you on selecting a new flight to track from this menu, but typically this involves searching for a flight as you normally would, and then opting to track prices from the flight details page. Choosing your saved flight might involve a little bit of navigation. Once you've clicked on a flight you've previously expressed interest in by saving it or setting a price alert, you can view detailed information about that flight. Here you can monitor any price changes that occur. Google Flights will notify you via email if the price of the tracked flight increases or decreases, allowing you to book your flight when prices are most favourable. The key to effectively tracking flights on Google Flights is regular monitoring and being flexible with your travel dates and options. Prices can fluctuate based on a variety of factors, including demand, season, and promotions, so staying informed through tracking can lead to significant savings. And there you have it. Simple as it may seem, tracking flights on Google Flights is a powerful way to ensure you're getting the best deal possible. It's all about staying informed and making timely decisions based on the price alerts you receive. Remember, the more flexible you are with your travel plans, the more likely you are to benefit from significant savings. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on how to track flights using Google Flights. Whether you're planning your next holiday or just keeping an eye out for great deals, I hope this step-by-step guide has made the process clear and straightforward. Safe travels and happy flight tracking.